Doing something I should have done a long time ago. Get a car wash. Oh my gosh. I mean, it looks better than before. It's not perfect, but it's better than how it looked. Time for breakfast.
The patio's open and everything. If you want, I would send an email to, it's going to be for to our events coordinator. She'll be able to, Hi, Victoria Leah speaking. How may I help you?
Hi, I was wondering if there's a manager available to speak to. Hi, I was wondering if there's a manager available. What the fuck? Every time, dude. Hi, I was wondering if there's a manager available to speak to.
A manager? Yes. I can help you.
Oh, awesome. I was wondering if you guys have live music in the summertime, and I'd put on a show for a bunch of Michigan friends, and just calling around to see who has live music.
What kind of vibe you got?
The greatest vibe. I play acoustic guitar, and I play with a loop pedal, so I create a full Friday, July 18th.
July 18th. Unfortunately, I do have somebody booked already that day.
Oh, damn. What time is it?
Is there a name for the band?
Just it's me. I'm solo.
Okay, and you said you're acoustic?
Yep, and I play with a loop pedal, so I create a full band sound all by myself. It's a pretty unique sound. It's really quiet out here. So on this side of the road, it's more colorful than over here. All the salt. I'm gonna toss this apple into the garbage can. Watch this. Sick.
We put in a new pool table and it took up our dance floor, so I would say no.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Do you want to play next Saturday?
No, I'll be out of town. I was trying to play this either today or tomorrow is my availability.
Oh, today and tomorrow? And we're flat ass dead right now.
Maybe we do a companion podcast. That would be fun.
Awesome. Thanks, man.
So you'd have to book that through our owner. He does all of that stuff, but you can go through our website.
All right, it's time to leave the Salt Lake area. I'm gonna drive west to Wendover, which is right in the border of Nevada and Utah. Check out the great Salt Lake Desert. Maybe catch the sunset there and maybe the sunrise in the morning, but time to move on.
Good podcast.
Yeah, I think so. You fat fuck.
What the hell? You're grounded.
We're all 9 years old.
I'm just gonna go straight for 45 minutes. To the great Salt Lake Desert. It's just endless out here. I'm gonna go to this ridge, whatever this is, and see what's on the other side, but it's so flat. Not many other footsteps going out this far. It's currently 88 degrees right now. Alright, we're getting closer to this wall. My feet sink in a little bit easier in all these steps. How much you want to bet? It's just more of this on the other side. We're gonna find out soon. You know what this probably is? What I just realized? I think it's a train track. And it's just gonna continue on the other side. I think that's all this is. Yeah. It's just I'm in the great Salt Lake Desert right now, baby. Surrounded by salt. Hey guys, passing through the great Salt Lake Desert.
Good to be out of the rain, or in the desert. You can marry me.
Yeah, one bed we have second floor. Second floor is more good. If you want, I can give you downstairs with a 2-bed.
Yeah, let's do that.
No.
Alright, checked into the hotel, but I'm gonna turn back onto the highway and I'm gonna find a good spot to watch the sunset. I think it's gonna be really pretty. beautiful. All this free salt. All right, I'm gonna lick it. Might regret it, but I'm here. Gonna try it. It's salty. What a beautiful way to end the night.
Sure.
Like, you're a good person. You're gonna try and make it right.
Yeah.
This is the borderline right here. Pretty cool. I noticed the week before is too cheese. Well, I'm back to the place where I watched the sunset to look at the stars, and it's really nice. There's only a little light pollution, but you can see the stars. You can't, though. See? But I'm looking at them. I've already seen some UFOs. Time well spent.